Michael Silvera here with Challengers Farms. We got a swarm here. This is a swarm on a red cedar tree. What we're gonna do is we have this box set up right here. And if you look at this box, we already have drawn out frame. So as soon as they get in there, the queen will have a place to lay. This is already drawn out. That's very important in building a new colony fast, opposed to having a frame that's not drawn out, where they would have to fill that in with comb, and that would delay the progress. So we have about half of these or more, 7 out of 10 that are already drawn out. What we're gonna do here is cut this branch. We placed it under there in case they fall. You can do this with sugar water. I'm gonna give them syrup with more nutrients in it, and this is gonna prep them. I'm just gonna pour this over there, and that's really gonna attract them, okay? Then we have some more mixed up in here. We have this hive on top. I'm gonna put this on top and drop that down into the bottom. Here we go. And you see they're completely focused on that queen and not what I'm doing so much. But just in case they fall on the initial break of the branch, I'm gonna go a little further back. And if I had some bigger tree cutters on me right now, this is just what we got being mobile. When I do this, I'm going to try not to have the recoil of the branch drop them. Nice and easy. Got it. So you see them here. Once they get that syrup, they'll start taking on it fairly quickly. And even to induce them faster, I'm going to pour some directly on top. And that will make them go down in there. Since they're just to speed up the process. Now right here, you could leave this, come back in a couple hours, and most likely they would all take. But I'm going to speed this up. Because Challengers has other challenges we got to get to. And I'm just going to give them a little shake here. Actually, we got here, the queen's still on there, but they got a home. I'm gonna drop this feed in there, right here in the back, right there. I'm gonna go ahead and put a few frames in here. See how that one's drawn out? Careful not to smash anybody. one more in there. So, perfect. Take a look at that. We're going to check this in a couple of days. Take that out, put another frame in there. This is a large swarm. I'm going to give them a little bit more to drink. They'll have their resources and recover on. There we go. Swarm's done.